Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have enough. Gather what matters and begin. Pick one small project and lay out scissors, tape, glue, and a scrap surface. Once done, set a 25-45 minute timer to force momentum. This avoids overplanning. Start by cutting a rough template or mixing the first ingredients. Make a quick prototype so you can learn by doing. Don't aim for perfect measurements. Eyeball, adjust, and move. This first step turns boredom into action quickly and builds confidence for the rest. You're in the middle now. Focus on steady progress. Use 10-15 minute bursts. Cut, attach, and test, then pause and assess. Once a piece fits, reinforce with glue or staples. Make temporary clamps from clothespins or weights. If something feels off, trim 0. 5 cm, sand a corner, or retie a knot. Small changes compound. Make sure to label parts if you'll reassemble later. And keep scrap pieces. They become useful for fixes or decoration as you refine the build. You're close, finish with intent. Test the item's function or taste, then make one cosmetic tweak, paint, trim, or garnish to boost satisfaction. Once satisfied, clean tools and store leftovers for future projects. Photograph the result for reference. If something breaks or tastes flat, don't panic. Isolate the single variable that changed, swap it with a known good option, and test again. One focused fix usually solves the issue. If not, step back for 5 minutes and repeat the quick test cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.